This is inequality review with Neil. In this problem, you divide both sides by -4. Since we're dividing by a negative, you flip the sign. And the answer is 7. You graph it like this. You put a closed dot on 7, and the arrow is pointing to the right. On this problem, you minus 3 on both sides. 15. Divide 5 by on both sides. 3. You graph it like this. 3, 4, 2. You put a closed circle on 3, and the arrow is pointing to the left. On this problem, you minus a on both sides. 7a plus 15 negative 6. You minus 15 on both sides. Keep change flip. Negative 21. And this is 7a. You divide 7 on both sides. And a is greater than or equal to 3. And you graph it like this. 3, 4, 2. Put a closed dot on 3, and a is pointing to the right. This is a word problem. So on this, you have to do -4 times a number. The purpose is to find out what the number is equal to. So the purpose is to find what number is. What number is. The variable, I will put n is equal to number. Inequality is -4 times n minus 6 is at least 27. Is at least 27. You add 6 on both sides. And then you get 33. And then you divide both sides by -4. So, and then when you divide by -3, you get, when you divide by -4, you flip the sign, and n is bigger than or equal to 8.25. 8.25. So that is our answer. Oh yeah, and this is how you graph it. 8.2598. I can't draw that. Okay, so you put a closed dot on 8, and the arrow is pointing to the right. Now we do practice with Neil. Okay, so on this slide, the problem is 3y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 14. So you add 4 on both sides. This is 18, 3y. Divide both sides by 3. And x is greater than or equal to 6. And you graph that like this. 6, 7, and 5. You put a closed dot, and the arrow is pointing to the right. On this, we have to combine like terms first. You combine 13 and -8 plus 6. 13 minus 8 is, let me think, 5. Plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 2v is greater than -7 minus v. You plus 7 is 18. Okay, so then you and then you plus v. So this is now 3v plus 18 plus 11 So 11 plus 3v is bigger than -7. Then you minus 11 on both sides. Keep change flip. -18 is less than 3v. You divide both sides by 3, and I don't have space, so I'll write it over here. V is bigger than 6, and then you graph it like this. I don't know where to graph it. I'll just graph it here. 6, 7, 5. Open circle on 6, and the arrow is pointing to the right.